Hi, my name is Rochelle Slater. I am going to show you a quick PowerPoint on the difference between a good PowerPoint presentation versus a not so good PowerPoint presentation. The first slide shows you basically the three topics that I would be going over. I kept it very minimal. Each individual topic I would explain the difference between the three and why they are important. On the next slide, you can see here where I basically give you the information on all three. You can also see that each individual topic is a different font, a different size, and this is kind of hard to look at because you're not sure what's going on it. The next slide presentation is all the different pictures of stress management, exercise, and nutrition. This slide is very busy. Not sure what you're going to look at first and where to go, whereas if you take each individual picture or just a couple of those pictures and put them on them slides by themselves, you have a better view for the audience and for yourself. So you would take this one as stress management and talk about it so that the audience knows and has focused on one topic at a time. Same goes with the exercise and nutrition one. On the last slide, or as you're closing your presentation, go back to the three topics that you have chosen to talk about and don't give them everything that you're going to conclude in the PowerPoint. Just give them minimal on each slide instead of giving them pictures on the slide, obviously going over the three topics that you've talked about. The less you have on your slide, the more that you can engage the audience as the presenter instead of them looking at a PowerPoint trying to figure out what is going on and not paying attention to you.